Okay. So we're in Clovis, California. Just finished installing a 50-gallon Bradford white water heater. You can see serial number, model number right here. And starting at the top, we've got two brand new shutoff valves, quarter turn shutoff valves to brass nipples, and then stainless steel connectors. Down to, on the hot side, we've got a recirculation pump here by Watts, and then a brass extension over here, just the brass extension. So that's good. New relief valve, of course, down to stainless steel drain line and tied into the existing pipe here. Upper third adjustable straps, lower third adjustable straps. Controller set to hot, which is approximately 120 degrees. And then of course right here you can see scalding risk increases with the hotter water, so try not to turn this up. And new gas connector. So everything in here looks good. This has been on for a day or two. Pump was installed yesterday and plugged in, so that's good. We'll check the timer on it and then go over the clock on it, and then go over the options for this with the homeowner. But this one is good. So we're gonna walk around the back, take a quick video of the other one just to see where we're at. And it's identical, so I don't think we're gonna go play by play on this one, but we do want to document it and get the serial number on record. And of course later today, if we remember, we'll go to bradfordwhite.com and go ahead and get these registered for you. Typically the homeowner, is responsible for that, but it's not a problem for us to do that if you don't mind us sharing information with them. So anyways, another 50-gallon water heater here. There's the serial number, model number, and same thing. So this one, new vent pipe, and then of course new valves, hot and cold, brass nipples, stainless steel connectors down to the Watts pump. And right now it's just plugged in an extension cord. The receptacle's in now, so we'll go ahead and get it plugged in there. New gas connector, upper third strap, lower third strap. This has been online as well. The pump has been plugged in, so it was running yesterday. And again, we haven't set the time yet. We'll make sure we'll set the clock on it and then set the time according to what you think you'll need. And then moving forward, you'll have to come out and adjust it, kind of fine tune it based on your watering needs. But anyways, we want to get that documented. Outside of that, these installations are done.